What's up guys, my name is Irina and in today's video let's take a look at the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. It's been a while since the launch of these headphones, but they're still super popular and I see them everywhere. So I decided to see what all the fuss is about and check if these headphones are actually any good. So first let's do some unboxing and see what I get in the box. The first thing that strikes you when you open the box is the entire presentation of the product. Yes, you just want to get your headphones and throw away the box, but seeing so much thought and care put into presentation leaves you feeling like you've just spent your money on a quality product. Okay, back to what's inside the box. Aside from the headphones you get a carrying case, which actually feels quite sturdy and expensive, a 3.5mm audio cable if you don't want to go wireless, a carabiner clip for your backpack or a gym bag, and a charging cable. Speaking of design of these headphones, the Studio 3s look almost identical to their predecessors, but it's impossible not to mention that these look really sexy and stylish, and they also come in many new colors. I think my favorite color of these headphones is shadow gray, but I have them here in a matte black color and they're also very pretty. The soft ear cushions and lightweight make these headphones really comfortable to wear. Also, they're foldable, which is convenient if you're on the go. When it comes to shortcuts and buttons, the Studio 3s have a dedicated volume and skip the track buttons. You can also take calls and activate Siri. One of the main features of the Studio 3s is the pure adaptive noise cancelling. You probably already know how noise-canceling headphones work, but if you don't, the whole process starts with mics that pick up the ambient noise, then create duplicates of the sound wave and cancel it out via a process known as destructive interference. So basically, it all means that you have an option to reduce the outside noise when you're listening to your tunes. With the Studio 3s, the Beats claims that these headphones continuously compare the noise-cancelled music with the original music in real time, and this audio calibration happens up to 50,000 times per second. I tested the ANC feature in the noisy New York City subway, and these headphones did a really good job. It's pretty amazing actually. You press a button and the outside noise just simply vanishes, leaving you alone with your music. However, keep in mind that all nice things come at a price, and it's no exception here since turning on the adaptive noise cancelling will cost you your battery life, but you can turn the ANC off with the double press of the power button and enjoy your headphones longer. So what about the battery life? The Beats claims you get up to 40 hours listening time with the active noise cancelling off, and they say it drops down to 22 hours with it on. From my experience, the battery life on these headphones turned out to be quite impressive, to the point where I don't have to think about it. And when the battery finally runs out, they take an hour to fully charge, and the Studio 3s are also equipped with fast fuel charging, where a 10-minute charge gives you 3 hours of listening time. Finally, let's talk about the sound. When it comes to headphones, the sound quality is my main priority, and despite all the negative critique these headphones get for the way they sound, I would give them an 8 out of 10. I actually expected to hear much more pronounced and powerful bass, but to me this sounded pretty balanced. I'll admit these are not the best headphones I've ever used, but overall I personally think the Studio 3s sound pretty good. What I don't like about these headphones is the price. These were originally $350 in the US before tax, and many places still sell them for that price. And obviously, for this much money, you could buy something better. However, the good news is that now I'm seeing more and more places begin to sell them at a discount price of $250, which makes these headphones look a lot more appealing. Okay guys, obviously we all know that many people buy these headphones just for the brand name and their looks. And for the longest time, I've believed that buying Beats means overpaying for the cool brand and selling yourself short on the sound quality and features. However, the build and design of the Studio 3s, combined with the ANC and great battery life, changed my perception. Beats just began to make a lot more sense to me now. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe to my channel for more of my videos, and see you later!